Hear that? Yeah, your car is definitely trying to tell you something. At Precision Auto Repair, we speak car, weird noises, mystery warning lights, or that it just doesn't feel right feeling. Our diagnostic pros figure it out fast. Complete auto repair, honest timelines, friendly, reliable service that makes car care way less stressful. So stop guessing and start fixing. Call Precision Auto Repair today. We'll solve the mystery and get you back on the road before your car makes up a new sound.